Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to improve your personality as a person. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to improve your personality as a person. Improving your personality is a continuous and personal journey that involves self-awareness, self-reflection, and intentional effort. Here are some steps you can take to enhance your personality. Number one, self-awareness. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, values, and beliefs. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This self-awareness forms the foundation for personal growth. Number two, set goals. Identify specific aspects of your personality you want to improve, whether it's becoming more confident, empathetic, or communicative. Having clear goals will give you direction. Number three, positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude towards yourself in life. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with affirming thoughts. This can boost your self-esteem and overall outlook. Number four, continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning, read books, attend seminars, take courses, and engage in conversations that expands your knowledge and perspectives. This helps you become a more interesting and open-minded. Number five, effective communication. Work on your communication skills. Listen actively, express yourself clearly, and strive to understand others. Good communication fosters better relationships and understanding. Number six, empathy and compassion. Develop empathy by putting yourself in others' shoes and trying to understand their feelings and perspectives. Show compassion and kindness towards others and be willing to help when needed. Number seven, adaptability. Be open to change and new experiences. Adaptability is a valuable trait that allows you to navigate different situations and environments effectively. Number eight, confidence. Build self-confidence by setting and archiving small goals, practicing self-care, and acknowledging your achievements. Confidence attracts positive attention and opportunities. Number nine, time management. Organize your time effectively to achieve your goals and balance your personal and professional life. Being disciplined and focused helps you accomplish more and reduces stress. Number 10, healthy lifestyle. Prioritize physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep and relaxation techniques contribute to a healthier and more positive personality. Number 11, practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness exercises such as meditation or deep breathing. These practices can help you stay present, manage stress, and enhance your self-awareness. Number 12, accept feedback. Be open to constructive criticism from trusted friends, family members, or mentors. Use their feedback as a tool for growth and improvement. Number 13, learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Instead, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can do better next time. Number 14, develop hobbies. Pursue activities that you're passionate about. Engaging in hobbies not only brings you joy but also makes you more interesting and well-rounded. Number 15, build relationships. Foster mindful connections with others. Cultivate positive relationships by being good listener, showing appreciation, and investing time in building connections. Remember that personality development is a gradual process. It's important to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. You don't have to completely transform. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to improve your personality as a person. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.